Yep, then you can put salt on their tail.
Papa, don't even step on these. Papa, don't even step on these. Don't put salt on birdie's tail. So I can catch it.
Put salt on the birdie tail.
Yeah, it's up there.
Everybody pretty.
I know. I made my face like that.
She's Cleo de Nile.
You look on your bird catcher. You want this?
They can't eat that.
And this is for you, not for them. Cleopatra.
We're going to sit out here and put salt on all their tails.
So we can catch all of them.
Hope it works out.
How about we just pour them out?
Okay, that sounds like a good idea.
So I don't have to throw them out.
Okay.
Now let's put them up here.
Here, let me put some over here so they can, I'll just kick it over there so it spreads them all out, okay? Move over. There we go. All right, now let's go up here. Get your salt ready.
Love you.
I'll put this one right here. And so I will pick up the salt and wait.
Come down here and sit down and wait on that salt.
Okay.
How long do you think we gotta wait? Looks good. I'm taking a movie. What are you doing? I'm taking you a movie. Oh, you want a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, good picture.
Now I can wait until I can put a salt on a bird's tail.
Okay.
I have to sit right here because that's not that.
You're so cute. I love you.
Can I eat the rest of my candy?
Yep, you can eat it while you wait.
Now what?
Think I need to go sit down while they come?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sure is pretty. Do you still want to go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where you want to go? I hear the birds talking about it.
Let's wait until the birds get here and then I'll pour salt on there